Hey everyone, well, I got Gemini finished. Now it's time to go and check out a couple backcountry camping spots. So join me for adventure. Let's go. Look at that. Couple family of deer. I think I'm going to cruise in here a little bit more and see what's going down. See what kind of campsites there are. All right, see you in a bit. Hey everyone, I'm out at the Gap right now. It's probably about an hour and 45 minutes from uh, west of Lethbridge. It's a backcountry camping spot. There's lots of campsites out here. Me and my girlfriend were out here last time, and we were at this campsite, and there was a dead, um, I guess, a deer carcass. It looks like it's still here. There's a couple fire pits, so let's check it out. Well, I should probably go figure out where I'm going to camp tonight. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to camp back here. There's zero cell phone service, and I'm not a big fan of that all the time. Especially at this time of season. I haven't got myself a Garmin InReach yet. I really should get one. This time of year, there's lots of bears around, bears and cubs, and being by yourself. So there's a little campsite right at the very beginning. I think I might camp there tonight. So it'll be okay. So I will see you guys in a bit. Well, guys, we're back at it. I got my truck camper bill all done, and I think I'm out here for the night to go camping. I'm in the Gap, and I found this awesome campsite right next to the water. It's nice and flat, so I don't feel like I'm sleeping on it. And there's a little bit of a fire pit. I'll probably have a fire tonight and cook some burgers. All right, let's check it out. I do believe it's beer 30. So yeah, this place is obviously super beautiful. I'm on the river. I get to fall asleep with the river tonight. I think beer 30. Uh, this Jamboree, I bought this beer a while ago. I totally forgot about it. Uh, it is sour strawberry and guava. 4.9 and tropical, lush and fuzzy. Doesn't say much more. My Two Crows Brewery. schmutz in there. Yeah. There we go. That's pretty awesome. Sorry about the wind. Living in southern Alberta, well, we're in the wind tunnel of Alberta. So I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, sorry, I switched over to my other camera so I can use my mic until I get a cage for my GoPro. But let me tell you about this place. This is the Gap. You come down Maycroft Road, and it's basically where the Oldman River meets the Rocky Mountains. If you go just down a little ways over here to cross the bridge, you'll hit Kananaskis Road. So you basically can take that road all the way down into Kananaskis. There's lots of backcountry camping back there. I've been there once. It's pretty nice in there. Super busy. Mind you, I'm off during the week, so I come during the week. So yeah, I have some B-roll for you. So check it out. The helicopter's out. There's a helicopter. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but they're checking for forest fires and stuff. It's high here right now, pretty dry. Haven't got a lot of rain lately. Alright, I'm gonna start making supper. I'm bought some burgers. I've had it before. Hey, you know what? It's a cool thing. I actually brought buns this time. Fancy that. So I'm gonna cut up some onions and a tomato and then cook some burgers. Right, thanks. I don't know if I did a very good job picking the tomato though. Well, we're gonna test out my grill again. Last time I tried to use it when it was windy, it did not work very good. I don't really have a plan B. I don't really have a plan B for supper tonight, so. Got it all ready to go. This is quite a bit better than the last one. I couldn't fit my grill on it. This one, if I put a piece here, it'll be okay with the bottle, but I have it to be rigged up right now, so it should be okay. Still kicking myself the last time I went camping and I forgot my buns. Monterey Jack cheese. I picked up some burger sauce. I forgot ketchup. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Yeah, bondage. All right, I'll see you a little later. I'm gonna eat this up and hang out. Don't mind if I do. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's so windy out here, it's just brutal. It's blowing over all my cameras. It doesn't matter what size, just blow them over. Woo! Well, those are two really good burgers. I'm glad I didn't lose my bun or forget my buns this time. I've had 2 beer. This one I've had before. It's an Irish cream ale by Spectrum. It's pretty good. I think I'm just gonna hang out. It's getting pretty windy now. I think I might just hop in the truck and watch a movie for a bit, and then I'm gonna set up a time lapse later on tonight and let it run for a few hours. All right, I'll see you then. Bye. Well, I just finished watching a movie. I think I'm just gonna call it the night. I'll see you in the morning, and have a good one. Thanks. Morning, everyone. I had a pretty good sleep. Yeah, I fell asleep right away. The sound of the water, just boom, done. Well, I'm gonna make some coffee, and then I think I'm gonna head out. Well, everyone, I think I'm gonna pack up my campsite and head out. I'll see you on the next one.